Many people understand the English language, but they are not fluent. What is the reason? Because fluency is not just about studying and reading the English language. In this video, I will be teaching you how to be fluent in the English language. Make sure you stay through to the end. Thanks to those that have subscribed to this channel. I do appreciate you. And if you're a newbie, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. God bless. What is fluency? Fluency is the ability to speak a language with confidence without making mistakes. Fluency also means the ability for you to speak a language without stuttering and stopping. Today, I am going to be taking you through the steps that you need to be fluent in English. 1. Practice. Fluency comes with practice. What do I mean by practice? That is, it comes with exercise. You can decide to study different types of books on how to speak English. The truth is, if you don't practice and make use of what you have learned in these books, you cannot be fluent. Practice the same makes perfection. The fact that you read books well does not mean you will be a fluent speaker of the English language. Reading and speaking are two different things that need to be taken into consideration differently. When you're learning English, you don't need to concentrate on grammar and vocabulary while speaking, but you need to concentrate on conversations. I said in my previous video on speaking English in 5 minutes that if you want to be fluent in the English language, you have to speak English, read English, study English, practice English, and think in English. If you haven't watched this video, you can check the link in the description box below. English is a weird language with a lot of loopholes, so you must practice speaking English every day. Otherwise, you won't gain fluency in it. 2. Start a conversation. If you're learning how to speak the English language fluently, then you must learn to begin conversations with people. Don't be shy. Yes, I mean it. Don't be shy. Conversing with people gives you the confidence to speak more. You can decide to ask a friend how their day went. After giving you an answer, you don't understand what they have said. Probably they are too fast. You can ask them to say it again or pardon it. Note: you can jokingly tell them you are still learning the English language. They can help you gain fluency through conversations if you don't hide and pretend. And make sure you're not particular about the vocabulary they use. Just listen. Ask questions if you don't get them. I am sure they will gladly help if you're not proud. Yeah. Mind you, do not feel embarrassed when someone corrects you. It's part of the learning process to be fluent. Yes, take it with love and you will be fine, just like the way I am fine today because I could remember when I was learning. 3. Listening. Reading and speaking are not enough to be fluent. You have to listen to how people speak. Listen to how words are pronounced and the way they are used in sentences. Watch British American movies, download songs in English, etc. This way you are listening. 4. Read books. For example, novels. Don't just pick novels for reading's sake. You need to read to learn and understand. Make sure you find the novel of your interest. If not, you might not learn. That is, when you're reading a novel that you don't find interesting or that is boring to you, you might end up sleeping on the novel or fulfilling all righteousness by reading. When you're reading, make sure you mark phrases and vocabulary use so you can incorporate them while speaking. Note: do not stack your brain. The fact that you want to speak grammar doesn't mean you should cram them and use them wrongly. No, don't do that. 5. Avoid translations. If you want to be fluent, you need to avoid translating directly from your mother tongue to the English language. it will ruin the actual meaning of what you meant to say. That's the fact. Instead, make use of your dictionary to find words to use. 6. Study words and phrases. Do you know that when you study words, it widens your horizon? So, make sure you study new words. Also, you may know 1,000 words in a language, but putting them together to make sentences is difficult. No panic. You've got a lot of work to do. It means you need to concentrate on using the words you have learned. To speak fluently, you need to learn how to put words together into phrases and sentences. 7. Idioms. You need to learn a lot of idioms. Idioms are an essential part of the English language. You will find yourself dumbstruck if you do not understand idioms. For example, someone might say break a leg to you before going for an English exam. And if you don't understand this person, you could have gotten into a fight with the person by asking, why would he tell you to break a leg in your exam? It will be so embarrassing to find that what the person meant was best of luck or I hope you do well. What would you do? I don't know. I'll feel embarrassed, sincerely. In a sense, you need to learn idioms because fluency in English requires the knowledge of idioms. If you want to learn more about idioms, you can check out my video on idioms that make you sound like a native speaker. I will surely drop the link in the description box below. To draw the curtain, do not think of yourself as a student. Yeah, don't do that. No, you're not a student. So to become fluent, you need to think of yourself as someone who can speak English. Be proud of yourself. If you think of yourself as a student, you might end up studying grammar books without getting the nitty-gritty of the English language, the fact. So, to speak fluently, think of yourself as an English speaker. Yes, think of yourself as an English speaker. Thank you very much for watching this fantastic video on how to be a fluent English speaker. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. If you want to practice your English with other learners, you can join my Facebook group where you get the chance to practice and learn. Check the description box for the link. God bless. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Subscribe.